If you need a versatile and reliable all-in-one color inkjet printer for home or small office use, the HP OfficeJet Pro 8125E offers printing, scanning, copying, and faxing in a compact design. It's designed to deliver fast, high-quality output while enhancing workflow efficiency. The printer provides all-in-one functionality, allowing you to print, scan, copy, and fax documents with ease. Whether producing professional quality reports, scanning important files, or making copies, the 8125E handles multiple tasks efficiently in a single device. Fast printing speeds ensure quick document output with up to 20 pages per minute for black and white and 10 pages per minute for color documents, keeping your workflow moving smoothly. Automatic duplex printing allows printing on both sides of the paper without manual intervention, reducing paper usage and supporting environmentally friendly practices. Wireless connectivity is flexible, supporting dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and Bluetooth Low Energy, enabling printing from smartphones, tablets, or computers for added convenience. The printer integrates with the HP Smart App, allowing remote printing, scanning from your mobile device, monitoring ink levels, and receiving notifications to streamline your workflow. Paper handling includes a 225-sheet input tray, a 100-sheet output tray, and a 35-sheet automatic document feeder, ADF, making it easy to print, scan, or copy multi-page documents without frequent reloading. Security and energy efficiency are key features. Built-in security safeguards your documents, while HP Auto-On, Auto-Off technology helps reduce power consumption, lowering operating costs and supporting eco-friendly practices. In conclusion, the HP OfficeJet Pro 8125E is a fast, reliable, and versatile all-in-one color inkjet printer. Its combination of multifunction features, duplex printing, mobile connectivity, and energy-saving capabilities makes it an excellent choice for home offices and small businesses.